Now we will be discussing our some of genetic diseases. Okay. There are many kind of genetic diseases, especially those are very common which are due to the increase or decrease in our chromosome numbers, which are due to, or we can say which are due to the chromosomal aberrations. Okay. So here we will discuss the diseases which are causing through chromosomal aberrations and especially the change in the somatic chromosomes. Okay. So these are called as ऑटोसोमल सिंड्रोम, और उसके पहले हम लिखें चेंज इन क्रोमोसोम नंबर. ओके, एन्यूप्लॉइडी ड्यू टू एन्यूप्लॉइडी एंड ऑटोसोमल सिंड्रोम. ऑटोसोमल क्रोमोसोम्स में क्या चेंज हो रहा है? क्रोमोसोम बढ़ रहा है या कम हो रहा है? जनरली क्रोमोसोम्स बढ़ते हैं ऑटोसोमल डिसीजेस में. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस आवर फर्स्ट डिसीज, दैट इज डाउन सिंड्रोम. So what happens in Down syndrome? This is characterized by trisomy of 21st chromosome. Trisomy of 21st chromosome. 21st chromosome की ट्राइसोमी होगी. ठीक है, देखिए ऐसा क्रोमोसोम होता है, सॉरी, like this. It is a pair of chromosome. Okay, say that it is 21st pair. अब normal condition में ऐसा होगा, but when the person who is suffering from Down syndrome, उसकी body में कैसा होगा? 21st pair में ट्राइसोमी हो जाएगी क्रोमोसोम्स की, 3 क्रोमोसोम्स प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. That's why we said trisomy of 21st chromosome in Down syndrome. Okay, and हमने इसको Down syndrome इसीलिए बोला on the name of scientist. This syndrome was discovered by the scientist named Down. That's why we have given the name Down syndrome. Okay, so now what are the characteristics of this disease? Some of the characteristics are there. Along with the Down syndrome, we also call this disease as Mongolian idiocy. Mongolian idiocy. Why we have called this disease as Mongolian idiocy? Because the face of the suffering baby or the face of the suffering person resembles to the Mongolian man. Okay, Mongolian man generally are having their broad forehead as well as they are having their short neck. So this type of resemble is there, this type of structure is there of these of the person who is suffering from Down syndrome. Okay, that's why this is called as Mongolian. And why idiocy? Because they are very much mentally retarded. That's why, or they behave as an idiot. Idiotic behavior is seen in this kind of persons. That's why we have called it as Mongolian idiocy. Okay, now we will discuss some of the characters quickly. The first character is that mental retardness. That's why we called as idiocy. Okay, idiotic behavior होगा, that's why idiocy, mental retardness is the first character. Now second is protruded eyes and tongue. Eyes are also protruded out, or eyes are protruding out from their eyeballs, and there is continuous, or they keep out their tongue always, they keep out their tongue always. Okay, इनका टंग हमेशा बाहर रहता है, प्रोट्रूडेड टंग रहता है. ओके, सो प्रोट्रूडेड आईज एंड टंग. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर, दे आर हैविंग flat nose and flat forehead and short neck, short fingers, and also there is a gap between second and third finger in hand. ओके, सेकेंड और थर्ड फिंगर के बीच में एक गैप रहेगा. सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अर डाउन सिंड्रोम. ठीक है, दिस इज ड्यू टू द ट्राइसोमी ऑफ द 21st chromosome, and it was named because the scientist who has discovered this, his name was Down. Okay, now this is also called as Mongolian idiocy. Why Mongolian idiocy? Because their face resembles to the Mongolian man and they are having the mental retardness, therefore it has given the name idiocy. Okay, so mental retardness is the first character. Protruded eyes and tongue, flat nose is there, and they have a broad forehead and flat forehead, and neck is very much stiff and very much hard, stiff and short type of neck is there. Short fingers are there. Congested growth is there, they cannot become heighted, their height do not increase from 3.5 to 4 feet. Okay, congested height is there. Now short fingers, and also there is a gap between their fingers. Okay, so this was our Down syndrome. Now the next we are going to take is our Edward syndrome. The same reason, this was discovered by the scientist named Edward, that's why we are calling this syndrome as Edward syndrome. Okay, now there is trisomy of 18th chromosome in this syndrome. Just like we have the trisomy in 21st, the person who is suffering from Edward syndrome will be having the trisomy of 18th chromosome. Okay, that too in our somatic chromosomes. Trisomy of 18th chromosome, and this leads to malfunctioned ears. The person who is suffering from this disease cannot hear properly. Malfunctioned ears and mental retardness are two characters or two important characters. Okay, now the next is Patau syndrome. The characters resemble very much. यहाँ पे भी mental retardness, यहाँ भी और Down syndrome में भी. Okay, this is due to trisomy of 13th chromosome. Okay, this is due to trisomy of 13th chromosome, that is our Patau syndrome. Edward syndrome due to the trisomy of 18th chromosome, and Down syndrome due to the trisomy of 21st chromosome. Okay. Now we will discuss our the changes in sex chromosome. Okay, here we have discussed the autosomal syndrome. Now we will discuss the sex chromosomal syndromes. Here we will discuss our two syndromes. The first one is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. This was discovered by the scientist named Klinefelter. That's why we have given the name Klinefelter syndrome. The combination of chromosome, generally we have 46 chromosomes, 23 pair of chromosome. Okay. Now here combination becomes 44 plus XXY. There is the appearance of one more X chromosome. Okay. Normal situation में होता तो 44 plus XY. 44 autosomal हुए और X and Y, they are our sex chromosome. Okay. Now, but here in this situation the total chromosome number is 47 due to the appearance of one extra X chromosome, that is 44 plus XXY. Okay. Now, this disease is mainly seen in males. Generally males में देखा जाता है. Due to that there is the appearance of breast and retarded genitals. The genitals of the male who is suffering from this disease will be very much retarded. No growth, we can say. Slow growth, or there is no growth of their genitals. Okay. Now, there is the appearance of breast also in the males who are suffering from this kind of disease. And many other characters are also shown just like as that of females in the person who are suffering from the Klinefelter syndrome. Okay. Now, second is Turner syndrome. It is mainly seen in women's. इसको हम women's में देखते हैं. And the condition is 44 plus X. One X chromosome has been lost. So here the total number of chromosomes were 47 and here the total number of chromosomes will be 45. One chromosome has been lost. Normal situation होती है 44 plus XX, that leads to 46 number of chromosomes. But here one chromosome has been lost, one X chromosome has been lost. That's why the condition will become 44 plus X leads to 45 number of chromosomes. Okay. Now, here this disease is mainly seen in females. Now, and more release of testosterone hormone, and also their genitals are not developed. And secondary sexual characters are also not developed properly. Okay, so these were our some of the genetic diseases. There are many more genetic diseases which depends upon the translocation of the chromosomes and also other kind of diseases. One disease is there, that is CML. Chronic myeloid leukemia. What happens in this disease is very famous due to the presence of one chromosome, that is Philadelphia chromosome. और फिलाडेल्फिक क्रोमोसोम. क्या ये क्रोमोसोम नॉर्मली हमारी बॉडी में प्रेजेंट होता है? नो, नॉर्मली दिस क्रोमोसोम हैज नॉट बीन प्रेजेंट, बट व्हाट हैपेंस, आवर 22nd autosomal chromosome, suppose this is our 22nd autosomal chromosome, so most of the part of this 22nd chromosome has been lost. Okay, 22nd क्रोमोसोम का एक पेयर का मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट हैज बीन लॉस्ट, वो लॉस्ट हो जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस टाइप ऑफ क्रोमोसोम हैज बीन टर्म्ड एज फिलाडेल्फिया क्रोमोसोम, एंड दिस डिसीज इज कॉज्ड, और इट इज सेड दैट दिस डिसीज इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस फिलाडेल्फिया क्रोमोसोम और फिलाडेल्फिक क्रोमोसोम. ओके, व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस डिसीज इज देयर इज लॉस ऑफ RBCs. RBCs बहुत कम होती है और जितनी होती है वो डिजेनरेट होती जाती है. ओके, सो देयरफॉर द पर्सन हु इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस CML हैज is being suffering from also from chronic anemia. Okay, RBCs नहीं रहेंगे तो the person will be suffering from anemia. So this was our chronic myeloid leukemia. Okay.